Your Facebook account got hacked. The hacker removed your email, changed your password, and now you have no access to your phone number either. Sounds like game over, right? But today, I'll show you a real working method to recover a hacked Facebook account without email or phone number. And yes, this method still works in 2026. So watch this video carefully till the end. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Prayophony, and on this channel I share real problem-solving tech tutorials based on real-life experience. I've been working with Facebook account recovery issues for years, and today I'll show you exactly how I recovered a hacked Facebook account live right in front of you. No fake tricks, no third-party tools, only Facebook's official recovery system. Step 1. Try logging in normally. First, open the Facebook app. Enter your hacked Facebook ID, mobile number, and your old password. Now press Login. Since the account is hacked, Facebook will show a wrong credentials notification. Just tap OK. Step 2. Click Forgot Password. After that, click on Forgot Password. This will take you to Facebook's account recovery system. Step 3. Find your account. Now you'll see the Find Your Account page. Here, Facebook gives you two options. Search using email. Search using mobile number. Let me show you both, one by one. Step 4. Email method usually fails. First, select email and enter your email address. Then tap Continue. In most hacked cases, you'll see this message. We couldn't find your account. This means the hacker already removed your email. So this method won't work. If you want more real tech solutions, account recovery guides, and social media problem fixes, make sure you subscribe and keep the bell icon turned on. Now let's jump straight into the Step 5. Step 5. Try mobile number. Now go back and choose the mobile number option. Enter your original phone number and tap Continue. Because Facebook cannot easily remove a primary mobile number, you'll now see a list of Facebook accounts connected to that number. Select your hacked account. Step 6. WhatsApp recovery. Most important step. Here's the most powerful part of this tutorial. If your Facebook account had WhatsApp added before getting hacked, Facebook will send the recovery code directly to WhatsApp. Why this works? Because WhatsApp cannot be removed easily like email. Hackers usually ignore WhatsApp recovery. Facebook treats WhatsApp as a secure verification method. Within seconds, you'll receive a verification code on WhatsApp. Step 7. Try another way. Optional. If you tap Try Another Way, Facebook will show additional options like WhatsApp, notification on another device, app notification, email and password, usually useless in hacked cases. Step 8. Notification on another device. Why it fails. If you select notification on another device, Facebook will show you which device your account is logged into, the hacker's phone model or app name. But here's the truth. If you don't know the new password, and the hacker controls that device, this method cannot recover your account. Final solution, WhatsApp verification. So now select WhatsApp. Boom. A code instantly arrives on your WhatsApp. Enter that code. And within seconds, your hacked Facebook account is fully recovered, without email and without phone number access. I just showed you this live, step by step. This is the only reliable method to recover a hacked Facebook account, when email and phone number are already compromised. If this video helped you, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe Prayophony for more real tech solutions. I don't make fake promises. I show real fixes that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next problem-solving tech video.